Okay, today I'm ready to compare a JBL Pulse, Harman Kardon Esquire, and a JBL. So this is the Esquire Mini and a JBL Clip Plus, and they are all different price ranges. This even is a special limited edition here. And I just want to do a sound comparison test. And let's play my song. Let's see. This one is playing. Here. You can hear that. Right, this one is on. I'm going to switch to the Clip Plus. This one. It doesn't like to switch. Okay, let's try the Pulse too. Push it. It's playing now. You can see this. This is not, it's really this one playing now. It sounds incredible. This is great.